Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the skybet app on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone. It's the exact same for Android. So go to the App Store. On iPhone, if you're using Android, go to the Google Play Store, and then from there go to the search page and start typing in skybet. Press search. And from there, I always skip past the ads, the sponsored posts, and go down to the first organic listing, Skybet Sports Betting. As I've downloaded this before, it does not say the word GET, but it has this cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Click that, that's the download button. And then it's going to start downloading for you. Make sure that you do have a good internet connection before you start downloading any apps as well. From there, now that Skybet has fully downloaded, it gives you the option to open the app from within the App Store. So it's this button right here that says open, press that. It's going to start running the Skybet app. Skybet would like to send you notifications, don't allow, accept the cookies. I always allow the app to track my activity across other companies' apps and websites, because then it'll give us sponsored tailored ads to our preferences, things that we like, and we don't get random advertisements. Okay. From there, this is the Skybet app. It has fully successfully downloaded and installed on this device. From there, you can go to the join or login button. Join just means that you do not have an account. You have to type in all your details. You'll probably get a good sort of sign up bonus as well. If you do have an account, go to login and type in your username and PIN and log in and start betting on Skybet. Well guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.